Ano ni? Ayos pa kayo. Hindi nila kaya.
But then, try nila na best para mahimo ilang responsibility ang ginatapos nila.
Sila na eh. Ikaw yan, the leader eh. Anong himuon mo para ma-try nila ang best nila ang ma-achieve ang isang responsibility? Help! Ferdinand! Ano ka mo sa opisina? Let's say, opisina ang niya, no? Opisina. Ano ang niya? Ginatagaan niya ng responsibility. Tapos, ginapprove niya. Ikaw ang mubra. Ikaw ang muna ba niya? I-force sila. Ikaw ang muna ang mo? Encourage them to show ilang wonder mo mag-ina. Nakagaina mo. To show the talent. Sige, aral na ang situation nila. How will you do that? Ginawa niya, gina-force niya. Pwede mo ma-force ang isang katao. Pwede mo ma-force ang isang katao without letting them know. Ang mga ginawang ng challenge nila to their best. Sige na, sabi.
For example, I give them tasks, then they do.
Wrong naman niya.
For example, they give me the I would show them empathy.
I don't know the meaning of empathy. What is that?
I would accept.
Let's use simple words. What is empathy?
I would accept what they can, and then I would give them some in order for them to develop.
Could be also trust them, tell them that you believe in them, that they can accomplish that by accomplishing. Okay, next. Set an example. Kita ang nag-state na kami. Set an example. May nakita ko na set an example. Sino pa? Set an example. Only one? Ito ako. Kita po. Set an example. Councilor Kevin Bonite. Kung ikaw, councilor na, balan mo trabaho ng councilor? No. No? And yet you accepted your responsibility. Ano ini? You're a councilor, and yet you do not know your responsibility as a councilor? Not yet. What is this? Councilor. Abaw ko na kuya mabuto sa imo, narin butuhon sa ina? Kung nakabalo maging trabaho yung obligasyon niya, will you? Okay, as a councilor, how can you set a good example? Hindi kaya, Espanyol ka na duhay? Sige nga, mag-ibisaya, importante mag-express ka what's inside your heart. Hindi na English subject, ha? Wala may penalty mag-speak dialect, hindi pa na, may penalty. Yung simple namin, wala na. Wala pa na. Wala niya.